Good morning all. This is Dinakar. I'm a SAP PP trainer. Uh, a small introduction about myself. I have around 16 plus years of work experience in manufacturing industries in production planning departments and quality management and plant maintenance departments. And I am into SAP since SAP from 2007. So I have changed my field from manufacturing to SAP. Now, coming to SAP PP. See, SAP is just an ERP which is used in production planning module for smoothness of the processes, planning and producing their products, respective products of the companies. Now, let us go through my demo. This is a manufacturing company. A manufacturing man is standing there, production man. Now, agenda is about a finished product. Example, carton box. We pack your end products. Then organization structure, importance of all modules and their roles like SD, MM, PP, QM, PM, FICO. And production planning in SAP is having master data, that is material master. FG means finished goods, semi-finished goods, raw material, BOM, routing, production version. Once you have all these things, you will plan either independently or through sales order. Once you save the requirements like how much I should produce either through sales order or through independently, we have to execute. Confirmations with GI means goods receipt and goods receipt. Cost analysis, goods issue and goods receipt. Cost analysis means before production you may plan that it will cost around $1,000, but after production it may be 1,010 or $990. Then technically complete, then close the production order. Now let us imagine that we have started a plant in Hyderabad and my finished product of the company is carton box. So due to increasing orders, I have started two more plants. One is in Chennai, one is in Bangalore. So total three plants under India. In India, we call it as a company code. Our operations can be extended into other countries like China and Japan. So China, India, Japan, we call them as company codes. All these company codes are under one company, that is Plant Hyderabad, USA. So in SAP, the organization structure will be company, company codes, and plants. So to run a business, we require all these modules. SD means sales and distribution. This gets order from the market and see that it is delivered. Material management. Once order is placed, then we will procure all the raw materials, and goods issue and goods receipt will be done by material management people. PP guys, this looks into production of the FG for the required order quantity. Quality management, this looks into quality of incoming in process and before dispatch of the material for order. Plant maintenance, this looks into maintenance of machine equipment to give maximum efficiency to give good output. Finance and control, this looks into creation of company, company code, plan, maintain cost centers, profit center for financial accounting in the organization. Now, production planning basically divided into master data, planning, and execution. So, master data means material master, bill of material, work center, routings, and production version. Once you set up all these things, then you will plan and execute. So, what is master data? Let us have that. Material master. You have to create material master first, that is finished goods, semi-finished goods, raw material. These have to be created into the SAP system. Then bill of material. If my finished group good is carton box, it requires paper, and to make paper we require pulp and applying gum. All these three components in quantities mixed, we get carton box. So that is called bill of material. Work center is machine required to produce the required product. Routing is number of operations required to produce the required product. Production version is number of methods in which the same product can be produced using different materials and routings. So once you set up all these things, you will plan accordingly, either make to stock or make to order. Make to stock means you will plan and keep it in stock, and whenever the order is coming, you will sell it from there. Make to order means unless I get an order, I will not produce. Maybe if it is a costly item, I will do like this. Unless I get an order, I will start production. Then once requirements are flown into the system, Then we create order, release of the order, confirmation of the order, goods issued to the order, goods received to the order, cost analysis will be followed. See, these are SAP screens, how we plan. First two screens are independent planning. Second one is third screen is VA01, that is sales order planning. Once you plan, like independent means 50 in this month, 100 in this month, 200, that is on my own, just like an Excel sheet. But if it is through sales order, I will create with respect to sales transaction VA01. So once the requirements are flown into the system, we will run MRP, MD02. Once I run MRP, I will get raw materials, requisitions and plan orders for in-house production. Then we will convert the plan order to production order. We will release the production order. Then if it is through sales order, we can also see the sales order number into the production order. Then we will check all the materials are available, stock available, routing available, machine available, everything we will check, cross check, and then we will release by clicking on the green flag. Once we release it, we will start producing, that is called confirmation. At the time of confirmation, we will issue all the raw materials and we will get back the finished product into 101 moment type. 261 moment type is issuing, consuming. 101 moment type is getting into the stock, receiving the stock into the finished product in the form of finished product. Now, once you produce it, your production order shows total quantity 100 and delivered quantity 100. Once the two are same, we will do technically complete. Functions, restrict processing, technically complete. Once you do technically complete, we will settle the order by KO double ID. These are done actually by finance people. Then close the production order. Then we will also do what is my actual price, what is my plan price, what is my variance, everything we will check. Now basically I told it is divided into three parts: master data, planning and execution. We come across so many transactions. How we create materials and components: MM01, bill of materials CS01, work center CR01, routing CA01, production version C223. So there are so many transactions which we will come across. Now this is general production cycle scenario, and depending upon the planning methods, people follow different processes like discrete manufacturing, repetitive manufacturing, sales operation planning. So depending upon the production methods people use to produce, depending upon their flexibility or priorities, they follow different ways of production. So depending upon that, the SAP has also formulated some processes called discrete manufacturing, repetitive manufacturing. Each will have different process steps. Now just to have a screenshot based production cycle scenario, I have made this Word document with screenshots. Like I just taken an example called cement 53 grade. I have created as finished product cement 53 grade. And to manufacture my cement, I require raw materials called limestone 1, limestone 2, limestone 3, 0.5 ton, 0.5 ton, 0.5 ton. Where I will produce my cement, I will produce in cement mill. So I have created work center as cement mill. What is the routing number of steps? So to produce cement 53, I require this work center to produce cement. So once I set up all these things in the system, I will plan how much I should produce, maybe 220 tons. Once I save this requirement, it will be shown in MD04 as independent requirements, stock is 0. Then we will run MRP. Then we get plan order. We will convert the plan order to production order, release the production order. Then we will confirm, means start production. Then consumption means all the raw materials will be issued, like limestone is being issued, and finished product IMSM 53 will come out. That is 101 moment type. Okay. Okay. Technically complete. Okay. Variance settlement. Close up order. So like this, completely we will, everything we will do in SAP system. Okay, this is just an example. and all the scenarios which I will be teaching, I have all the documents which I will be sharing with you once I teach each subject. Now, the content which I will be covering are how to create company code plans, which usually created by finance people and people, but I will show you. Then how to create finished product, semi-finished, raw material, bill of material, routing, production version. Then demand planning 40 strategy, okay, forecast based, different production process widely used in industries, consumption based planning, customer specific requirement, discrete manufacturing, replicate manufacturing, sales are planning, serial number, variant configuration, okay, discrete manufacturing. All these are the steps which I will teach you in each process. Other than that, I will also show you how required configuration steps. Then I will explain you how we implement project and what are the various steps involved, ASAP methodology, and I will give you a sample project. You should work on that, and PP will integrate with other modules like MM, SD, QM, and FICO, which I will be also teaching you the scenarios. Okay, so each and every process will be run practically before you into the SAP system. The people who have not seen the SAP system logon pad will be there. If it is not there on your system, I will provide you one link which can be downloaded into one system. Then we will give you the server access, which will be like this server access, which when I will give you this and I will give you SAP user access like login details. When you log in, you come into this screen and your PP module will be under this. Okay. Now, for example, earlier person who has taken from the class. So this is an example for him which I have created. Now his name is Prithvi, so I have created Prithvi pen, Prithvi refill, and to make Prithvi refill, see, to make Prithvi pen, I require Prithvi refill. If I want to make Prithvi refill, I require Prithvi ink. So like this, I will run each and every scenario before you in the SAP system. Okay, and my way of teaching will be I will run all the scenarios and I will show you how to practice into the system, and I will also give you all the Word documents with screenshots based, which will be helpful for you to keep them as a reference while practicing, and I will also show you how to practice in the system. Okay, and before next class I will ask you if any questions or whatever you have practiced. If you want me to see whether you have done it correctly or not, I will also check all those things. For initially I will follow up with like this assignments whatever I have given in initial classes. Later on I will go with my regular classes. Okay, so that will be the my way of process. If any questions you can ask me. Okay. Thanks, and hope you will register with me. Thanks.